Good morning. I hope everyone has having a absolutely wonderful Thursday morning. Well, we can adjust this title because that's not what we're doing today. Today, we are going, since I overslept, I do apologize. I would have been here earlier, but did not wake up in time. So, sorry about that. But as far as today is concerned, we are going to level up our Haskell skills, although I don't really use Haskell on a regular basis, and I haven't used it in years. However, I like the language, and it's something I haven't done in a minute, and I'd like to keep it around. So, you're going to see me bumble around on beginner Codewars stuff. Just to show you, even though I've been doing this for a super long time, there's still things to learn. But before I do any of that, I am actually trying to get a Twitch, or I'm sorry, a X post out saying that we are going live. Give me 1 second. And we're going to do one for Facebook while we're at it. Although I'm going to pull Facebook off the screen for a minute because it is not, the way Facebook is, like, it's tied to your personal and your page, and so I don't know which one it's left on, so I'm going to pull it over here for a minute. Okay, we're good. All right. Alrighty. So since it's been a super long time since I've done this, I decided to just kind of reset and kind of go back to the lowest for Haskell. I know, go figure. And so I'm gonna get to make a real fool of myself and show you just how bad I am at Haskell. Hopefully not too bad though. Okay, so this one's going to be remove string spaces. Write a function that removes the spaces from the string, then return the resultant string. So the input to output, and then sure, I mean, this should be easy, right? All right. Let's see here. First things first, let's go find us some stuff. Oh my. Dated. All right. I think I'm going to use like an accumulator. Can you do that? No. I mean, I could do it as a separate function. That'd be the easiest. I'm trying to remember, what do I have to do with strings in Haskell? I think you can deal with them like you would a list, if I remember correctly. Right, okay. So I can just use it as such. All right, the other thing I need to look at is guards, right? Right, okay, so it's empty. think this is what I want to do, something like this. We'll check that syntax. So come in here. Let's handle the MPKs, right? Oh, I didn't mean to press that. Okay, so we can't even do that. All right, it's been a long time. Is it otherwise? Is it otherwise equals? Otherwise, we're going to do X. Foiled by the very first line. I wonder. Did I do it? Did I do it? I think I did it. I think I did it. I'm actually astonished right now. Hold on. Holy moly, I did do it. Not as dumb as I thought I was. I thought for sure this was... Okay, cool. I guess the next question is there a way to make this more succinct? Can I do this without the guard? Can I do this as one line? I'm sure I could, right? not sure what that looks like. Hold on one second. I wanted to share this particular kata. I think I can just do it this way. Let me double check. Yeah, cool. Didn't think about that. I should have put that in the chat. That way, if people are interested in which ones it is, they can totally follow along. All right, awesome. Wow, okay. I'm just not that familiar with Haskell to make this better. Somebody having discussions on it. Oh, get out of here. Filter? I've never seen that before. That's cheating. That's totally cheating. Oh, is that a built-in? It sure is. Filter. True or... So it takes in a function. No. A predicate function. Okay, so yeah, it takes in a predicate function that takes in A and returns Boolean. And when that returns true or false, it, whatever list it takes in, it then outputs a list of the same data type. So filter even, well, filter, and then the predicate function, and da-da-da-da-da. And this person used filter with the predicate function. I don't even know what this is. What is this operator? Well, thank you, Stream Boo. I see one of these almost every single time. Okay, not equal to. Whoa, okay, so instead of the, okay, so not equal to, all right, I like it, I like it, I like it. All right, let's try it, let's try it. That would be the fastest way. Let's see what we got. Hey. How do I get back to where I was? Let me in. Oh no, I lost my solution. Let's go ahead and try it again real quick. So we know we're gonna do the empty. You gotta have empty because otherwise it's gonna keep going forever. So then we know that we can treat strings as a list, and so we do that as such. And then we're gonna do guard. And we're going to say if x equals space, then we just call our function with the rest of the list. Otherwise, we are going to append the current to the new list, and then we're going to do no space with the rest of the list. That. I have to make sure that it works. Oh no! I think I have to. Oh no! Oh, there it is. Aha, okay. And of course, I don't think those are necessary. Because boy, Haskell does not like using unnecessary characters. Okay, cool. What are comments in Haskell? Doubles. All right, let's try this other way. So we can do, we'll just create, we'll keep this solution in place. All right, so now we're gonna do no space again, but this time I think we're just gonna use filter. No space equals filter, and then doesn't equal, right? Doesn't equal that, and then we shouldn't have to add the other part. Doesn't like that. So this is the operator. Right. That's what I thought. What am I doing wrong? Variable not in scope. Oh, so that function's not in scope? I don't believe that. Oh no, okay, it is. Well, you should believe it, Johnny, because you flubbed it. You put it the wrong way. Cool. And we'll attempt it. All right, nice. And we'll submit it. I'll take that one, the filter. Did not know about filter. Next. Okay. Now we're really gonna look dumb. I'm going to go ahead and let everybody know I have to log at 6 a.m. So I do apologize for this being a rather short one. I hope you enjoy, you know, kind of going through these, and it's kind of a little different. I'm not a huge, what we were working on before is web forms, just kind of grueling and not particularly interesting. But it's stuff I have to get done, stuff I do enjoy doing, but I really enjoy this stuff too, so I hope you do too. Let's see here, what are we going to do? Is this a triangle? Okay. Implement a function that accepts 3 integer values, a, b, and c. The function should return true if a triangle can be built with the sides of the given length, and false if any other case. In this case, all triangles must have surface greater than 0 to be accepted. Okay. 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 Let's see. I mean, the dumbest way would essentially be check all 3 to see if they're positive or not, right? If they are greater than 0, would be able to do it. And we could do this a couple of ways. We could do it as a I don't know what they call it in Haskell. The meta function. I'm pretty confident that's not what they call it. I mean, we can always do this where it's just, I'm pretty sure there's all built in too for this where, you know, I'm going to solve this the dumb way first, and then we'll try to figure out a better way. The dumb way. Brought to you by Grasshopper. Trying to remember here. Don't remember this again. think it's just and. Maybe it's double. I don't remember. I'll just try it. Oh, weird. I wish you'd tell me what the input was. I feel like this test is wrong. See, there is something to say about by doing it the stupid way first. That way that you're not sitting here. Use the triangle inequality. Okay. What is... I have to go back to our math here, guys. Let's see here. Oh, so it's not just that. Okay. So A plus B must be greater than the triangle inequality rule states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle must be greater. Oh, duh. That makes sense. Okay. Hey, we did it. Okay. Have to go back to our simple geometry, which that totally makes sense. Duh. Is there any way to clean this up? I don't think so. because that's a lot of tests, you know? That's a lot of, that's a lot of checks, right? Like, what do you think? You think we can, yeah, I'm not certain. Yeah, I just don't. I don't think so. I think it's about the best we're gonna get. I think we got time maybe for one more. Let's go ahead and submit our attempt here. Oh, I don't like that one. You're going to add it to a list and then sort it. So then you get the min, middle, max. And then you add the min and the middle. And that should still be greater than. Okay, okay, clever, clever. Could be clever on that. I don't know. I feel like that's trash. I don't know. Maybe it's not trash, but that I'm just not. I don't use Haskell on a regular basis. Like that seems. Okay, yeah, I could have just dropped it down to the thing. Yeah, they just did the sort again, like this one here. Yes, this isn't true. This has got a lot of, you know, a lot of votes. Weird. So, and all right, let's go look at the let's go look at the and function. That did not take an int. That is a list. Isn't it? Let's go to the documentation. Where is the documentation? I don't remember. The language server. Oh, here we go. Google. And. Okay. So you can do a foldable. Or, okay, you can go to listables. There we go. So listables returns the conjunction of a Boolean list. For the result to be true, the list must be finite. Okay. False, however, results from false. Okay. So okay. Okay. This one, okay. I'm coming around. You know, all right. That makes sense. I don't think we have enough time for the next one, but we'll go ahead and take a look at it. Let's see what we got. Create a function that gives a personalized greeting. This function takes in two parameters, a name and an owner. Use conditionals to return the proper message. This seems overly trivial. We'll do it. I think we can actually do this in time. Okay, so we got a name and an owner. All right. See what we get. Pretty sure that was it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's very straightforward. Just blam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. What the world? Somebody's got jokes. Somebody's got jokes. What is it? That's awesome. Overly complex for no particular reason. Love it. Gotta love it. Well, guys, thanks for joining me this morning. I do appreciate your time. I was sorry we didn't get to do more. And I do apologize for being late today. I really try not to do that, but it did happen. So I do apologize. Oh, wait, I did want to, I forgot. I need to link the other ones that we did, huh? So we did this one. And we did one more, I think. We did that one. And we did another one. Called Grasshopper Personalized Message. Like I said, thanks again for your time. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And if I don't see you tomorrow, hopefully I'll see you Saturday at the latest. But if not, I should be here by Tuesday. I may or may not join on tomorrow. But until then, have a good rest of your day.